Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. Today we're going to show you the GK from GNET. It's the GK 4K camera, and this one also has an option for Wi-Fi connection, so we have connected that to the Wi-Fi. It's a front and back camera with a screen that you can see some videos, but you can also download everything to your phone. The rear camera is Full HD, the front camera is 4K UHD. I'll show you the rear camera first. Okay, so we have that one in the rear, very nice, very clean, and we have the screen in here. The system also has a full touchscreen, so everything you can do from here, or you can use from the GNET app. So you can go in here, we can watch real-time video. On this one, we also have the ADAS safety feature if we want to use it. We can have full view. We can go to the rear camera. Okay. We have options to change all the settings for the camera. You can change the settings from here. Very easy to use. You can actually go to all the recorded videos, watch them all from here. System tells you impact, parking, Wi-Fi connections, parking mode, and so you have different normal recordings, so you have everything here visible to show. You can download, so you can download everything to your phone if you want. You can have it all downloaded. Okay, this is watching live, but you can actually download it to your phone, and all those features also available on the camera itself. You can also watch the camera here. We have some setups features in here. You can set up the parking mode, impact setting, set up the memory. You can use an external memory, voltage, so this system will monitor the vehicle voltage. So we have it set up as a hardwire parking mode. It has set up to turn off at 12 volt. We have the recording itself. You can see the videos front and back, and more features. The GNET Dash cams are available at Car Systems Installation. This is the GK 4K dash cam. For more videos and products, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.